So hello everyone, welcome to our video, and today we are holding a group discussion here, and the topic of our group discussion is which is the most important skill in the 21st century. So I have my students here. She is Anushka, we have Divyansh, Mohit Nagar, Arpita, Vedant, and we have Lakshya also available. So we are going to discuss on this topic, and let's see which skill is going to win. So let's start with Divyansh first. So Divyansh, what do you think? Which skill is the most important skill in the 21st century?
In my opinion, mastering AI is very important. If you are feeling lonely or sad, then you can help from AI. Then you can talk from a chatbot like ChatGPT or Grok, and also it can help you in studies and like providing notes, and many things are there. And it can help doctor also. Like if you want to check the patient's health, then it can analyze, and there are many other things.
But don't you think that nowadays AI that has become a big problem for many people? Why? Because many people, they are taking advantage of AI and they are misusing it.
Yes, they are misusing the AI. There are humors and many other things. But if you use AI in a proper way or in a correct way, then it can help a lot. Yeah, there are many side effects and there are a lot of disadvantages. But if you use it correct, or you can censor some things, then it can be more efficient.
Right. And what do you think, Mohit? Is he right that AI is the most important skill? What do
I
you
would
think?
totally agree too with him that AI is today, and from the starting of 21st century, it has been very good start of AI that everyone is using AI, and all the trends are going on. Ghibli art, we are making art. But apart from that, coding is also a very most important skill in 21st century, because when we talk about maintaining a website and creating, when sometimes the website crashes, then we have to maintain it, and when it get overloaded. So there are many situations when we are using coding.
So after AI, it's about coding. Coding
Yeah.
is one of the most important skills.
Yeah.
You feel that? So do you
Yeah.
know about coding as well?
I do know about coding.
Okay, so you're from science.
Yeah.
So is it important that we have to be from science for getting knowledge of coding, or anyone can learn whether he's from arts or commerce?
No, it's not necessary that you should be in science, that you should be learning it. Plus, Java and other languages are there. You can learn them naturally and by taking coaching from anywhere. So it's totally fine if you are from any stream.
Okay, so let's move to Arpita. Let's ask her that which skill is the most important skill. So Arpita, what do you think? He said that AI is the most important skill. Mohit is saying that coding is one of the most important skill. So what do you think? What is your opinion?
Sir, I am agree with both of them, but according to me, in my opinion, in today's time, the communication skill is the most important skill in the 21st century, because communication skill helps to develop a confidence in a person's life, and as we all know that in the job interview or after the entrance exam, the interview is important because they all want to see our confidence and the communication skills which we have to interact with
With other people.
Yeah.
Okay, so communication skill, attaining good communication skill, it is important.
Yes, sir.
So right now you're working on your communication
Yes.
skills. Okay, so you're working for it because you want to attain a good job in a reputed company.
Yes.
So do you feel that after attaining good communication skills you will be able to get a great job?
Yes.
You feel that? So who told you this?
Sir, as we all know, and you also sometimes tell us.
Okay, fine. And what about you, Vedant? What do you think? Which skill is the most important skill in 21st century?
So firstly, what I basically think is that in 21st century, there is a dire need of skills, not the degree. Because now the companies don't hire you on the basis of your achievements or your, the degrees that you get. They basically hire you of your knowledge or your skill that you're acquiring in your daily life. Now, if I'm telling you, then I must say that the most important skill in the 21st century is the listening skills, and after that comes the critical thinking. Because when you are listening to someone, when you are speaking to someone and you're paying attention to what the person is speaking, then you are listening to him very closely, and then in your mind you are critically analyzing that what the person is saying. Now, if I must ask you that when you are asking someone and he replies to you, and if you're not listening to that person, so you will tend to misunderstand the thing that he is saying. Am I right?
Right.
Exactly. So that is the thing which we need to work on, because most of the people are not patient and they just want to jump onto the conclusion after listening. So you have to listen and then critically analyze the debate or the situation, and then you have to speak. That's what I think.
So do you work on these things?
Yes, I work on these things in my school, because nowadays the debate is going on, the season of the debate is going on in our school, and every year it happens. So what we are taught is that first let the opposition speak, let him finish the argument, and then you have to listen to him, analyze, takes few minutes, and then give the argument.
Okay, great. Yes. And what about you, Lakshya? What do you think? Which skill is the most important skill in 21st century?
I'm fully in the favor with Vedant Bhaiya.
That?
Mohit Bhaiya said that coding is the most important skill, but without listening, learning to the skill of coding, like there is a tutor from which you are learning the coding. If you will not listen to him or her, how you will understand the coding and how will you practically solve it and do it? Like she said, communication skill. Every skill can be learned by the most important skill, listen. And by the part of the listening skill, there is one more skill like collaboration. Imagine there is a colleague, he's your friend, both are working in a same company. He is senior than you and earn more than, so you will be jealous of him or her. And if company assign both a project, do this for the company, there is a benefit for the company and you both. But you you will not be doing it by your heart, because you will be jealous of him or her, like he is earning more than me. How can I help him? If I will help him, it will address my ego and will point out of my ego that he is higher than me and how can I help him. So if you will collaborate with him or her, you can find solution very quickly and very easily. So I would like to say that collaboration skill is the most important skill of 21st century.
It means that tuning with the people. Many times it happens that we are not tuning with the people and we are not, listening to them. And I think that what he said, collaborating with people, it also requires the skill of listening, because if you are going to listen to a person, then only you will be able to agree with him or you will be able to collaborate with him. And all those skills, they build up you and they help you to succeed. So now let's come to Anushka. What do you think, Anushka? Which skill is the most important skill?
Sir, I want to say that the most important skill in 21st century, that is English speaking. English is everywhere, and now English is very important language. It is a global language and it used in every country. That we have to know this language, and this is very important. If you go in the foreign countries, you have to talk to others in the English, and if you go in the interviews and other things, so first of all you improve your English speaking. With English speaking, maybe you can get the job. And for the English speaking, so first you have to listen to others. With listening, you can rectify others' mistakes and get new words from them. Thank you.
Right. As Anushka said, that learning English is also an important skill, guys. And all these skills, whatever they said, like she said English speaking, and he told about coding, and he said about AI, Arpita told about communication skills. English speaking skills and communication skills, they are both connected. And guys, please like, share and subscribe.